The projector's built-in whiteboard mode has a toolbar that appears on a blank surface, or pattern. You can use the pen to write or draw, just like you would on a chalkboard or dry erase board. And you can do this without connecting your projector to a computer. Many of the projector's built-in tools in whiteboard mode are the same as the ones found in the Easy Interactive Tools, which is a basic annotation application available for download. To choose whiteboard mode, just tap the icon at the top of the toolbar. You'll then see the blank surface along with the toolbar. You can change the background by tapping the background tool found towards the top. You can choose a black background or one of the 4 patterns that are available. Let's take a look at some of the annotation tools. Towards the bottom of the toolbar, we see pen and highlighter tools, and also erase tools. There are 3 pen tools of different colors and thicknesses, and also a custom pen and highlighter. When you choose the custom pen or highlight tool, you can set a thickness and color for the tool. At the bottom, there are 2 erase tools. The top one is the eraser, and you can tap and drag with it to erase annotations. Below this tool, I can tap and choose to clear the entire screen. This built-in toolbar provides fewer functions than the Easy Interactive Tools on your computer. For example, you cannot save your work with the built-in toolbar. If you want to save, you can connect a computer to the projector and use the Easy Interactive Tools.